Check out this amazing community in the city of Menifee. Now, what I love about this one, they're gonna have low HOA, they're gonna have up to 7-bedroom options, and they're gonna offer 2 homes that have a multi-gen. We have a 2-story that has a multi-gen, and we also have a single-story home that has a multi-gen. We're here right off the 215 freeway, so you get off, and it takes about 3 minutes to get here from the freeway. In a great location. They're gonna be building a ton of homes. Now, what I love about this is the single story options. My favorite single story is gonna be nearly 2,700 square feet. Huge lot on that model. You get every type of home right here. It's perfect. You get a single story that's under 2,000 square feet. That's in the 500,000s at the time of this recording. And then you get the big boy, which is gonna be right over there, that offers up to 7 bedrooms. That one's nearly 3,300 square feet of living space. So if you guys are looking for the perfect home in the city of Menifee, this is gonna be it. Let's go check these out. Welcome to the city of Menifee. Right behind me, we have one of the most affordable new construction homes in the Inland Empire without having to go up the hill or all the way to Hemet. So we're right here. This home is just under 2,000 square feet of living space. It's 4-bedroom. Let's go check it out. So right when you walk in, you're gonna run into one of the bedrooms here. Now, we're gonna come on this side, and you're gonna get more bedrooms, washroom on this side. See how ideal that is. Now, at the time of this recording, these homes are going for in the 500,000 range. We're talking high 500,000s probably, but again, nearly 2,000 square feet of living space. Super ideal space that we have here. Everything is nice and separated. It doesn't feel super tight, and you still get a decent sized backyard. Just take a quick peek at that. Now, remember, if you're gonna come check out one of these new communities, do not come without us. HOA is gonna be $86 here, which is super cool. And we're gonna have now the master bedroom. Look how big this bed is. Plenty of space. This is just gonna be super ideal. And then we have master bath on that side. So if you're looking to buy a new construction home, there's gonna be some details below where you can find out the information, book a 15-minute call with us, click the link in our bio, and start your new home journey with us. Do not come without us. Let's go. So you're looking for that perfect single story, nearly 2,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms on this home? This is amazing. Let's go check it out. So right when you walk in, you're gonna have a suite down here. Now, on this side, this is gonna be perfect for a family member that needs their own restroom. Now, the way they made this space is super awesome. You could tell all the rooms are kind of towards the front. We have this beautiful kitchen area right here that's just super ideal, has the island that you need. We have the great room. They maximize the amount of space. Look at this dining table right here. Look how big this is in a single story. We have a office area right over there. Now remember, this is gonna be low HOA, $86 at build out. These are gonna be great prices, great incentives. Check out this room right here. Plenty of space here, and it leads into the master bathroom. So if you're looking to buy that new construction home, remember, do not come without us to these new construction communities. You're gonna want the representation. There's gonna be some details below on how you can book a call with us. Make this easy on you. Book the 15-minute call. There'll be some details and link in our bio. Make sure you click that so you can start your new home journey here in Southern California. Welcome to the city of Menifee. Right behind me, we have an amazing option. We have nearly 2,300 square feet of living space, a 5-bedroom home with a flex room option. Let's go check this out. So right when you walk in, you're gonna get one of the bedrooms right here on this side. And on this side, you're gonna get a bedroom here and bedroom there. Bedroom and restroom. You're gonna get a washroom, don't worry too much about that. This is gonna be the flex room area here. So that you can turn it into a dining room area or a bedroom, an office. It's really cool. You get this space right over here. Now this is a great room. I love the separation from over there all the way over here. We have a dining room area. Check out this kitchen right here. It's super ideal. I don't know if they're gonna be doing gas, but this is still a gas range. I'm pretty sure they're gonna go electric, but if it's gas, great. The backyard's gonna be pretty decent. Let's go check out the master. Now, before we get to the master, I want you guys to think about the amenities that they're gonna be having at this community. They're gonna be offering a couple of parks. HOA is only gonna be $86, so they can't offer that much, but for $86 compared to most HOAs, they're gonna be in the 200 range. Check out the master here, nice room here, and then this leads into the master bath. So if you guys are looking to take advantage of these amazing prices, $600,000 at the time of this recording, comment down below MCP to get more information. There's also gonna be a link in our bio or in the description below where you can book a 15-minute call and we can help you buy a brand new house. Do not come by yourself. You know what? We have a huge family. We need some separation. You know, they got little kids. My parents want the big house. Well, I have the perfect option. Nearly 2,700 square feet of living space. It comes also as a multi-gen if you pay for it. Low HOA, let's go check it out. So right when you walk in, you're gonna get this bedroom and restroom there. This is what a multi-gen would be. Now on this side, you're gonna get a powder room, 2 bedrooms. This is my favorite single story here. Now you have that brother that nobody likes. This is gonna be their room right here. And then we have this amazing luxury countertop right here. Look how long this is. And yes, this is how it comes. This is like the 4th time I see it. And we have this dining room area here, living room area. Take a quick peek of the backyard real quick. Hey, quick reminder, do not come to these new communities without us. Trust me, you don't know how many phone calls we get. Hey, Robert, can you still help? No, I can't help you. You came on the first visit without us. I want to be able to help you through this process because we know how to get you the best deals, but come on over here. Check out all this space right here. It's super spacious and it leads into the master bath, which is super ideal. Now, I personally love this single story home. This is gonna be one of their best single stories that they've developed. I see it in multiple cities, but here in the city of Menifee, this is gonna be a great option. I'm trying to get the guy behind the camera to buy one because it's so awesome. And I asked him if I could represent him, but he's an agent, so he said no. But if you want more details, down below, we're gonna have a link where you can book a 15-minute call, or you can click the link in our bio to do so. Let's help you buy a brand new house. Now, this is the big boy in the city of Menifee. Right behind me, we have over 3,200 square feet of living space, a multi-gen option. That means multiple families can live here and have the separation of space. You guys ready for this one? Let's go check it out. So this is what I'm talking about right here. Right at the front door, you get access to the multi-gen. Let's go there first, come on. So you come on in here. About to break everything in here. You get a full bath. Now this is super ideal, right? This is what I wanted to show you guys because you have a little living room area and then you have a kitchenette and it has the electric stove here, microwave, has the fridge, the sink. Man, you know, I lived in spaces way smaller than this as I was growing up when we first got married. And then we have a full bedroom here with the closet. And you still get access to the main house just in case you're tired of being alone. You have access to the front of the house there. Come here, we got a powder room. Now check out this amazing space right here. It's nice and wide. Look how many seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seats here. And you can probably squeeze in another 4 people. Maybe if not, they're not my size, maybe Ray is, he's behind the camera. If there's 12 of them, then maybe, right? And then we have the dining room area here. Check out this kitchen, right? We have all this cabinet space. We have the fridge that hides over there. And then take a quick peek of the backyard. Now, this is the loft area that I wanted you guys to see. Look how ideal it is. It's super spacious. Another huge sofa, maybe more for like 10 people or 10 Reyes is there for sure. Now we come on this side. Right before we go into the master, HOA is gonna be $86, super low HOA. Check out this room. See how spacious it is? And check out the master bath. Now on this side, we're gonna have 3 other bedrooms, starting with the washroom there. Make your way. We're gonna have the shared restroom there. Hey, trip out, my son, they got those from Target. I know because my son has them. And it just nailed them into the wall, crazy. But if you guys are looking to buy a new home, there's gonna be some details below where you can book a 15-minute call with us, learn about how to buy a new construction home. Comment down below, MCP, for more information.